Hey everybody, so we're going to talk about convolutional neural networks and the traffic problem by CS50AI. So this problem is about computer vision. We use TensorFlow, that is a deep learning framework. We can build neural networks and do a lot of things. We also use OpenCV library to read an image as a NumPy multidimensional array and pass it into the network, in which each image has width, height, and red, green, blue values. There is also matplotlib. It's a library to visualize data in Python. Now, one important thing to know about convolutional neural networks is that the image is passed through a convolution process, a convolution layer. It's like applying filters on the image. For example, we have the blur channel to make a blur effect, or even another channel to make an edge detection effect. This process is in order to extract features from the image. There is also pooling. It's like simplifying the image, just being concerned whether some results is there or not. And building the neural network was an experimentation process. I've tried different numbers of convolutional layers, number of filters for these layers, number of neurons in hidden layers, and different activation functions like ReLU and sigmoid, for example. Alright, now we are going to read the data and train our model with a lot of traffic sign images to later make predictions. Now, since the process of reading the data and training the model takes time, I'll pause the video. Alright, we are almost there. Our model is being trained. It has a accuracy of 0.95 and a 0.13 loss. And these epochs are how many times the training data has passed through the model. Okay, just waiting for the output. Alright, so we got true up char examples to make predictions, and this is our first example, our processed image. It was predicted as 7 item and is in fact an 7 item, so it's working. Okay, same here, this is the other one. It was predicted as a 8 item and is in fact 8 item. It works. Okay, that's it. I also would like to say that I and my friends have done a video talking about artificial intelligence in our BS on computer science that we are attending. There is no English video, English subtitles in that video yet, but if you are interested, there I show an example of computer vision using TensorFlow as well in Google Colab. Alright, I hope that you enjoyed the video and see you next time. Thank you, CS50.